Hello，私は学長です。今天我们继续来做 doors. Today is July 14. Okay, so I made the closet, the last video. What? Okay. Like this, and we can get out too. Wait. Okay. And this video I'm going to make the first entity. Let's go. So I'm going to use AI to do that. And let's add the bindable event to the room and name it to player enter. Okay, so let's open the door script and we need to find the player enter. So player enter equal script dot parent dot the room dot player enter and set here to player enter and fire. And next so door model, and we need to do the number and know what number is player now. And we need to put number here too and fire the number. Okay, and move to the server script and make a new local generated room equal this, and we can set this value to the first room, and every make the room we need to say the room number. So generate room I and private room, and we need to print the generate room. And let's check. So we can see there's so many print now. Let me put the output to here, and you can see there are so many print now. Okay, let's stop and let's get the player enter event. So here to local player enter equal script dot parent dot room dot player enter. Okay, and let the player enter dot event dot connect the function and say number. Okay, so if we can set if number equal 3 double equal, then we can see the like workspace dot clean dot clear we can see workspace and clear all children. Okay, so let's play, and we need to get the third door. Oh, the first door is the locked door, so let me find. I'm so lucky. Okay, and move to the next door. Wait, that is locked door too. Why? Wait, what? I am so lucky now. Okay, and if we getting, then oh my god, everything was detected. Okay, let's stop. And let's back to the script, and we don't want to clear out thing, we just want to spawn the empty. So let's copy this generate room entrance and move to the workspace and rename this to school. And I want to add the image to this side. And before we add the image, we need to add the entrance and exit to attachment. Okay, and next is small room. I'll do this more fast. And the insert object, so it's command I. Okay, and wait, I can move. Okay, wait, what? I'm stuck. Oh, I can move now. And add the and this room too. And last two room. And last one. This is the last one. Okay, so let's add. Let me close the room first and add this to attachment 2. And let me insert the image. So let's just insert the rush. And decal to scope. And so this side, let me change this. Oh, I need to do this. Let me change the face to bottom. No bottom, the back. Yep. And I want to add some rush effect, so let me search rush and oh, this is good. And that. So how is this working? I don't think there are any rush new. So let me just, oh, I can do that. So everything is in the there. Let me add to here. Okay, so there this, and I just name this rush. And okay, so let's do this decal and okay, so this is rush and this is black trail. So why I need this? Let me see. What will happen if I did this? Huh? Nothing happen. Okay, I'll keep this. and we just don't need attachment. No, I'm lying. We need the attachment. So we need to add this one more to here, and there this, and like this, but yep. How about I'll say wait this long. So this size is 15, so I'll add the 15 too. Yeah. And so I'll just add this part go to here. This too big. I'll try this and name this too small. So let this create wheel and let this two part command ng to model and name this to brush. And next we shall add new folder to the workspace and name it to entity folder. Oh, what am I doing? And drop brush to the entity folder, and let's make the new module script and name it to brush. And let's type change module to brush and this to brush 2 and make new function the brush dot new. And I should let this end to big font and number and generated rooms. And let's get the entity folder, the entity model and workspace dot entity. And actually we can name this to entities because this is not only one entity. And we can do the brush and clone to clone the brush. And we just want to spawn the brush to if player opens any room door, then brush will spawn before the 2 room. And let's move to module script and make more local the brave num equal number -1 and local max num equal number +1. Okay, so let's make the prep room equal generate rooms, and then we just use prep room num value. Oh, I missed this. Sorry. The prep num. And let's count the max room. If not, the generated room and max num. And then we can say the max num equal the generate room and local max room equal generate rooms max number. And let's put the enemy to the entity model equal the, so we can say, so let's put the enemy to enemy model and pivot to play room and PC frame and let the empty model parent set to workspace. So let's move to server script and local the rush equal require script dot parent dot rush, and then if room number equals 3, then rush dot new and give the number and generate the room, and we don't need the print anymore. And let's check it working and move to the, so let me find lock first. Now here, and so this, I'm now lucky now. Oh, got it. And move to the third room. Oh, this is now locked, and we are third room, so let's back to the first room. And you can see there has rush was spawned, and maybe the shadow is little big, so I'll let the shadow wait, okay, I'll keep this shadow size, so let's stop. So we want to the empty room move, so the like small room and long room, the entity can go the straight, but like the S room or T room and stairs room has a corner, so we need to set the waypoint, and you can just like this copy the entrance and move to here and name this to 1 and copy one more and set to here and generate this and keep this center and move like here more and set this to 2 and copy one more to here and name this to 3 and copy one more and move to here and generate it again and move to here, and we need to connect this. Okay, so it's now connect, and we'll try to move here, and nope, it's still not connected, so let me just move the 0.5 stop and let's see. Okay, so it's still not connecting, so how about 0.3. Okay, so we connect this and set this to here, and this is waypoint, and select all and make the folder say waypoints. Okay, so we need to do this all room without small and long room. Okay, let's do this. Move to here and copy one more and generate it and move to here and copy, move, generate, and actually we can do one more easy. The copy the exit to here, okay, I think maybe there has some problem like the front wall, so let's just connect this. This is more easiest, so let's set 1.1 and 0.1 and let's connect this. So it not be connect, but it's no problem. problems because rush is big. So move to here and change name 1, 2, 3, 4 and make the folder say waypoints. Okay, so this is S room. Next, let's do the T room. So we can just copy one, set to here, and copy one, set to center, and generate. And we need to keep connect this. So move to here and this time it's easy to connect, so let this back to here. Okay, this is easy. And 1, 2 waypoints. So next is this tea room and copy, move the like 9. I think this is, yep, this is more good. And set to here, generate, move to there, and connect back to here, and change name, and select change name, and this is last one. So and stairs room, you can just copy this to here and copy one more to here and connect the floor and set to here. Yep, this is easy. And change name, make a folder and change name. So this can do same thing. So let's just copy this to here and copy one more and let this down to here and set this to here and change name to 1 and 2 and make folder and change name. That is. And let's back to Rush model and make new function to Rush dot navigate and model and playroom and I was wrong, the playroom and the max num and generated rooms and for I equal pre num and max num and do, then local room equal generated rooms I, and we want this to move, so function the rush dot the there to and model dot target, and we can say the local alpha equal 0 and speed equal 15 and local distance equal model dot primary part. So let me use this and change this to 15 and we need to loop to new and the local run get service run service, and we need this and loop equal run service heartbeat and connect the function delta and local go C frame equal start C frame and verb to verb and target alpha, and we can say model the pivot to the go C frame and alpha plus equal delta and the relative speed, and last we can say if alpha the 1 then loop disconnect, and we want to the rush, and we can say rush dot verb to and model, and the room entrance, and we need to find the waypoint. So waypoint equal room find first child waypoints, and if waypoints then so for I equal 1 and waypoint and get children do, and the rush dot report to model and waypoint and I, and this C should be big C, and we need the local reach it and we need the local reach it the target equal intent.new findable event. What is the target? And so I can find the event. So reach a target, then fire. So after the function, we can see the reach it target dot event dot wait. So after the function, we can see the reach it target dot event and wait, and after move the waypoints, we need to let the rush move to the exit. There we go. So if he finished the walk, and we need to get the enemy, so the rush dot navigate and enemy model and grave num and max num and generated room and rush not rush the entity model and destroy, and we need to put the C frame to here dot C frame back to the server script, and why we just set this to every 4 room. So set like this, and we still need the primary part to the rush. Okay, let's try. Let's go to the study room. We got here, and ready? What? Oh, the every seat in a 4 room. I forgot that. So, ready? Oh, it's coming. Yeah. And yeah, that was destroyed. So we did it. So this video I make the rush move and the every 4 room. So I'll make the rush kill player next video. So goodbye.